Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. Today is Collab Day! Whoa! It's been a hot minute. I'm doing one with my amazing and gorgeous friend, Jan Van. I love and adore, and I'm so glad that, me and her are doing a collab again. It is inspired by our favorite albums, minus Positions by Ariana Grande. I ended up creating this look right here. So one, make sure you go check out her channel and her video. But if you want to see how I got this look right here, then let's get into this. It is Collab Day with the amazing and wonderful and stunning and kind and just all around amazing Jan Van. This wonderful lady right here. She's the first friend that I made through this platform, and I'm so excited to be doing this collab with her today. We're doing a look based on our favorite albums. Mine is Positions by Ariana Grande. I fell in love with it the minute that I heard it. It's just such a beautiful piece of work. All of her albums are. So yeah, I'll insert, this is what the cover art looks like right here, and there's this look that she has in it, which I will also put right here, where it's just this incredibly gorgeous shape, and I thought, why not do that shape but in the color story of the album. I'm so excited to see what Jan does. I know it's going to be amazing as always, so please make sure that you go check out her channel, you go give her video some love. She truly freaking deserves it, so just go do all that stuff. All products that I use and or mention in this video will be linked down below, but as always, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair 2N and then setting it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. I pulled out a good Mod Podge of palettes here, just kind of looking for the right colors for this. So I have the Nomad Tokyo palettes, because I was thinking just these two. I think that one is the one that I'm more going to lean towards. We also have the Blend Bunny Blends palette, so that shade right there. We have the Pistachio BH Cosmetics Sweet Shot palette, because I was thinking these and that. And we have the REM Beauty Go-Go Boots palette, which I feel like that shade could work. And the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Lore palette, which it looks like this, because I feel like that shade right there, that seafoam shade, could really work for this. I'm feeling that seafoam and that shade right there. I don't know how to say the names. That's what it is. I think I'm going to start with the seafoam shade in this palette right here first, taking that on a Rephr 03. I do have my iPad below me with the picture of her makeup, just so then I can, hopefully execute it. So it goes pretty much straight up like this. To get the color pigment that I want, I am going to have to stamp this in a little, but for right now, I'm just going in and making the shape. She has different set eyes than me, so I'm just going to have to bullshit my way. I'm taking the eyeshadow that was on the brush that was a leftover, wiping it off, and then blending this part out a little. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with the Tokyo palette. I'm in with that Kakagori shade. I'm hoping that I'm saying that right. Either way, it is that shade right there. Again, still on that Rephr 03, and just lightly blending this out. These are some crisp, clean lines. What is going on? Oh, I'm so good. Usually they're absolutely horrendous, so this is just amazing work right now. I'm only doing it up here just to kind of give it a sort of gradient type feel, type of look. I'm really liking how this looks. I feel like this looks freaking a bomb. We're gonna have to put like a little bit of liner here, I think. I do want to sort of give it some depth somehow. There is some sort of like the darkness of what you would call her hair in there. I think I might go in with this shade right here called Submerge from the Blends palette. Very lightly. There's not a lot of product on this Refer 03 right now, and just sort of deepen this out a little. Like I said, there's barely any product. I'm just trying to give it some depth. This is freaking amazing. Watch me fuck it up somehow. So I'm gonna make a very small little wing here, just going out a little, to make kind of like a baseline, just because black eyeliner is like a lot. Not that I am gonna be putting it on, but just like to just do it on your own right away is very scary. So I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop Feather Effect brow pen. It is like this little brown-esque type shade right here, and I'm just gonna make like the outline for it so it's easier for me to do it. I'm essentially just gonna be following that little line that I created here. So I think I'm gonna go in with this Melt Ultra Matte Gel Liner in Onyx here on just a little brush. I'm gonna go in with this Refer 23 and fill it in. Like I said, I need a smaller brush, but I don't really have one. Oh wait, I do. I'm gonna go in with the Refer 29. God, I'm nervous. That's a cute little wing. One is cute, one is not. I do think that I am gonna go in with some concealer and cut this out just a tad bit more. Again, I'm going in with the Ariana Beauty Concealer in Fair 2N. I do think I am gonna go in with a little bit more of that Submerged shade right there. Still on that Refer 03 for this. And just deepen this out just a tad bit more. I think that looks really good, minus this really shitty ass wing that we have going on right here. But I feel like this is as good as I'm going to get it. I'm very tempted to put just a little bit of shimmer in here, but I think I'm just gonna have to not, because you know what, fuck it, we are. I'm me. If you're new here, my name is Neggy, and I love glitter and sparkle and shine. So we're gonna go in with this shade right here called Dessert from the BH Sweet Shop Pistachio palette. We'll take it on this Refer 02, not a lot, and just plug it right here. Actually, you know what, we're gonna go in still with that 03. I like that. I'm gonna go do my face. We'll come back for blush, lip, that kind of good stuff. So I'll be right back. I'll do horses. Hello, hi, I'm back. These lashes are just, I like my big ones, but I'm really vibing with these today. These are ColourPop Chick, I think. But I did go in with this NYX Professional Makeup Epic Eyewear Liner Stick in pure white down here, just because, you know, her album is very, like, at least the cover art and the aesthetic for it, and everything, especially her photo shoots for it, was like 1960s inspired. So I thought, we're putting that on. We're gonna go in with the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Juicy Cheeks face palette. There's cat hair everywhere. We're gonna go in, I think, with this shade right here called Raw. I don't know. I want something subtle, and I feel like that's like the most subtle blush I have. So I'm just gonna pop a little right here. I have to sit back just a tad bit further because if I go forward, you know, the sun messes with me. Or is it right here? I don't really know, but I'm just plopping it right here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush on my nose. I always do. Make me look a tad bit like Rudolph. And then I go over it with my foundation brush just to kind of push it in and just blend everything together. For highlight, we're gonna go in with the Blend Bunny and Noctilucent palette. This is my love. This is my obsession. Like I said earlier, I'm obsessed with sparkle. This is that bitch. I'm thinking we go in. We need something light though. But I'm actually thinking we're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go in with the lightest ever amount of that dessert shade right there from the pistachio palette. Just because I feel like that'd be like the perfect one. So I'm just gonna go in with that. Just plop it right here. Even though this is an eyeshadow, we can use makeup for however we want. And I just feel like a very subtle little green shimmer here. Subtle. I'm kind of going for the whole like almost matte look, you could say. But whatever. For lip, I'm thinking something neutral, something like this, maybe a little bit lighter, but I don't know. I have this Give Them Lala Beauty one. I feel like that one's almost too light. So I'm gonna try this Give Me Lala one first. It is leaning more peachy. I think it needs to be a tad bit darker, like it's just a tad bit too orange. So I'm gonna go over it with this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Sandstorm. Pretty sure this is only available on Amazon now, but I'll have it linked down below. I am very much debating putting mascara on the bottom row, like on the bottom lashes, but I think we're just going to leave it. I really like how this turned out. I think this turned out pretty goddamn good. I do wish this was just a little bit sharper, but I feel like if I start messing with it, it's gonna end up looking like shit. So we're just gonna keep it as is. Yeah, I'm really happy that I went with the green. I very contemplated it for a very hot minute before like filming here, about just doing the brown look and then putting some green in there, but I'm so happy that I did end up going in with the green instead. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Again, make sure that you go check out Jan's channel. Go check out her video. She's freaking amazing. You'll love and adore. I know that me and her have collabed before, and then I don't have that many new subscribers, but if you haven't checked it out yet, please go do it. But a couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. And I understand that you do not like it. I understand that you do not understand it. Like a lot of the stuff. But that is something for you to take a step back on and reflect on, and to understand why you're being such a bigot, and for you to do better. Remember to be taking in the most actual factual information. There's a lot of propaganda, a lot of bull going around, so make sure that you are taking in the right stuff and supporting the right places instead of supporting people that support genocide, racism, homophobia, all that crap. And remember to be taking care of yourself. Remember to be taking in enough water, enough food, to be taking days for yourself, to be, just doing things that are good for you and that make you happy. Again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly, duly appreciate it. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.